Good morning, YouTube. It's your girl Deja. I'm back with another video. So today, as you've seen by that first clip, that's what it's looking like in upstate New York on November 22nd, okay? Because that's how Mother Nature gets down in upstate New York. But unfortunately, I had to call out of work today for the simple fact is, you know what I'm saying, I don't got a babysitter for my baby, and I'm a single mother. If you're a single mother out there, wait, hold on. If you have a kid with somebody, I advise you to work it out the best you can. If you just can't do it no more when they got out of range and all of that good stuff, then you gotta go. But if you can, work on it. Anyways, so today, I don't even know what we're gonna do. I don't even know what the day holds, so this is what we're gonna try to do today. I'm gonna try to get as much stuff done as possible. I don't really have that much stuff to do. Probably I could, put the dish away, straighten up or something. You know what I'm saying? Get a little extra exercise in because we gotta keep the body looking nice. Don't mind my pants like that. I don't know why I do that. Wait, let me give y'all a glimpse for real because the body is looking nice. Hold on. Just gonna be another day in the life with us. Plus, I think I want to make my baby some breakfast before he wakes up and straighten up his room because I don't know what he be doing in there, but it'd be a tornado when he wake up. It just be looking like, who did it? It rain. All right, so we're gonna do all that. I might see my best friend today because these are the days that we live for ever since youngins, okay? We live for a good snow day with some nice hot chocolate, okay? That is the days that we live for. Ooh wee. Too bright. And somebody, if anybody's a plant person, like, let me know what's wrong with my plant. Am I overwatering them or am I not giving them enough water? Because, like, they just got limp for no reason. I mean, like, this one can use some water. Like, it's dry. You know what I'm saying? This one wasn't this bad, but also, I think that it could be the fact that it's hot in our apartment and we can't control the heat because the boiler is inside of that little room thing over there, and only the super has access to that. So that's what it is. Oh, y'all, look at Caden's little snapping turtle that his grandmother sent home with him. Girl, he had this snapping turtle for umpteen months now, and it's alive. It's still alive. I promise it's alive. Look, come on, baby. I don't know what they eat, and I'm scared to put my finger in it. It say on Google, it said they eat shrimp and stuff like that, but shrimp, baby. Nobody got money like that to be feeding no little snapper turtle no shrimp. I don't even go get myself some shrimp. I haven't even had a seafood boil in a minute. I think I'm gonna do my hair, but I don't know what I'm gonna do to it though. I really was on my twist out thing, but every time I do the twist out, it get wet because the rain and the snow and everything else. Sorry, y'all, don't mind me. I'm over here reading my emails and all that good stuff in the morning. Oh, don't be like me. Go spend time with God first before you watch the rest of this video. Go give him some praise. Go pray. Like, thank you, God, for waking me up this morning because another day was not promised to me, but you are faithful and you are merciful, and it is abundant, okay? His mercy is abundant, so give him the praise for that, baby, because there's people that didn't even wake up this morning, and they had plans too. I think for dinner we're gonna have some chicken soup, so I'm taking some of these out. Just back. this. I already gave Kaden his. My brain looked thin compared to his. It was all nice and fluffy, but you know, it comes with a price when you're trying to be healthy. Extra protein for your girl. You heard what I'm saying. I don't know what kind of workout that was and what I got myself into. I did tell my mom that I wanted to get into an exercise that had me sweating, you know what I'm saying, like a good exercise. But girl, this one had me contemplating a couple of things. But you know, we did a 30-minute workout. In total, we burned 316 calories. We should be burning more than that. But, you know what I'm saying, something is better than nothing. I may be weak, okay, on the outside, but I ain't weak in the spirit. Yeah. We are finally about to head out. We about to go get something to eat because we didn't have a lunch, so we're gonna have a late lunch. But it do look dark, but it's really only like 5 something for real. So yeah, we heading out because we've been in here all day and nobody wanna be in the house all day. Oh yeah, by the way, my hair is finished, but what's the point of me taking it all out and doing all that stuff and the snow's gonna get it wet, so. We could make it look a little cute with a little bang thing going on in the front. Well, a little scarf, because underneath. The curl's going to be popping probably on Monday, because I probably won't take these out until then. So, yep. We're going to head to the restaurant, get something to eat, because I'm hungry. Girl, I'm supposed to be here to eat my food and then I'll be ending up working. I'll be ending up working while I'm here. I mean, I don't mind, but I came here to eat, actually. I guess it comes with something nothing free in this world. On this last clip, I was here at my best friend's house. I didn't want to keep recording because I didn't want anybody to feel like I was invading their privacy. But if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for the next lit Vlogmas video.